I just as a computer programmer was very, very nice. Not my days actually, because I'm still a computer programmer. And say starting up in computer programming, what I would tell you was very, very nice. Starting up as a computer programmer taught me a lot, and when coming up, I had this problem of getting clients. Yes, I had the problem of getting clients. I had the problem of people getting to know me because I'm just this kind of guy who started learning program because I'm actually self-taught a computer programmer. I did not actually go to the university like other persons and get the college degree on computer science. I told what I learned in the university, we're like, wow, how come I even computer programming? That is by the way, that's from that day story. But the story there is that nobody actually told me computer programming, and that's from that bad part again because the network was not there. I don't have like a community whereby I build together with. So I was building only by myself. I go online, get courses, paid courses, and the rest. I actually started as a computer programmer. But when I started as a computer programmer, I already had this notion on okay, let me start building, let me learn, and I'll learn. And if I actually look at the marketing aspect, do you know that it's a very, very bad thing when you are doing computer programming or when you are doing any kind of skill and you just forget about your marketing totally. I never had that in mind. I'm like, let me just do this stuff. Okay, how do you sell yourself? How do people get to see you? Do I know? I don't know about what I do. I'm just programming, getting to be good. I said years of I started with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If I started that's what I started with then. So I said I'm going to PHP, going to Laravel, going to that. I started going then. And that was some years back. So I was learning these things, but I was not thinking about marketing at all. I was just focusing on learning without even focusing on marketing, which I feel is a very, very bad thing, though, when it comes to acquiring a skill. When you acquire a skill, you just start thinking, okay, this skill I'm acquiring, how do I market this skill to the people? Fine, you actually don't have to be good in marketing. I will just tell the truth because it's something a lot of persons think. Okay, I have to be good in marketing. I have to know. No, you don't have to be good in marketing, but there are strategies you can use in getting these clients. Yeah, the strategy you can use in getting these clients, which a lot of persons tend to forget, and that is what a lot of persons don't even know how to do right now. Because even apart from computer programming, you have people that work on normal websites designing. How do these people get a client? After learning, how do you put these clients to yourself? So as a computer programmer, over the years, I've gotten to know that, and that's what I'll be sharing in this video today. In this video, I'll be sharing to us how we can get people. Sorry, my video I don't rush. I don't try to rush the whole thing. I actually just want to tell you the way it is, and please, if you love my video, you stay to the end and watch this. You won't actually start running out of it because I'm actually going to give, because this is something a lot of people are actually neglect. If you're in Nigeria, where I'm from, a lot of persons just going to the learning part. Some people program for, can I say 2 years or 3 years, and they don't even have anything to show for it. But with this video, I'm going to open your eyes to a lot of ways you can actually make money, and these are some of these ways are proven ways in which I have done, and why some are research ways which people talk about. But for me, I actually tried testing the waters before I put anything out. So I actually tested some of these ways which actually works for me and which still works for me till now. What is making money as I say freelancer. I've already given you the hint already. Yes, I wanted to talk about freelancing as the first way of making money as a computer programmer. Yes, a lot of persons say freelancing has been difficult, but I feel there always a strategy to freelancing, which I myself am a limited testimony to. With freelancing, if you can do your first 10 jobs, is a very regular jobs. After your first 10 jobs, you can start to get jobs on a regular basis, referrals and the rest, and which has actually worked for me. Starting as a computer programmer, I knew nobody. I was this forgetting person that I just come out and I don't talk to people, I don't tell people what I do. I just on my laptop. I'm on my laptop inside my house, I'm pressing my laptop. Doing the computer gig based on what you watch in the movie. Like the computer gigs, nerd, not gigs. The next computer nerds. I'm always my laptop, but at the point I just needed this. I was still investing then, so I was actually doing this, and at a point I actually needed ways of making money from these things. What should I do? I actually was lucky because a friend of mine came to meet me. I was Sylvester, can you do this thing? I said yes. Why don't I now tell people what you can do? Yes, yeah. From there, I got my first job. A lot of I did a lot of research, bought some courses. I got to download a lot of paid courses, buy them and download them, and I actually improved myself, and it was useful to me as I started initially. So after doing that, I started talking to one or two persons. I started getting jobs as a freelancer, like that. Wow, it was lovable, and I got to get a lot of persons. But there's something a lot of persons have problem with as a freelancer. A lot of people will tell you, okay, freelancing is a problem. I tend not to be able to get clients. I tend not to be able to get clients, and what is happening, and that is why over the years, unlike our days, presently now, it's very easy for you to get a job as a computer programmer, and it's very easy. You have Upwork. You know Upwork, you can get jobs on Upwork, and Fiverr too. List your service on Fiverr. I love Fiverr. How you see my video, I talk about Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace that makes it easy for online workers, online service vendors. Do you have a service? Yes. What's your service? Work. Are you a graphic writer? Are you a blogger? What are you doing? Are you a graphic designer? What have you that you have upstairs? Go on Fiverr. List your service there, and you make money from it. So that's why the computer programmer, you go on Fiverr. List your service. Are you into React JS, which I do? Are you into Node.js? Are you into PHP Laravel, which I do? Anything you're into, just put it there, and you'll see people will come to you and they pay good bucks on Fiverr for app developer, web developers. You make good money as high as $5,000 for a particular project. So what are you waiting for? Please, don't tell me you are not making money as a computer programmer right now. Like, I'm a computer programmer, I make money. I won't tell you I make like that, but I make money based on the jobs I get. So what are you waiting for? Freelancing is not easy. Go on Fiverr, register. There's a link in the description that will make you able to register on Fiverr and get started on Fiverr right away without wasting your time. So that's that about freelancing. If you have any question, you want to tell me anything, just go to the comment section below and put your comment there, and I will respond to you as soon as I see your comments here. Yes, that is just it. So that leads us to the next way of getting or making money as a computer programmer. Tutoring. Yes, tutoring. Yeah, tutoring is one good way you make money from computer programming. You can help people do their assignments for as low as $5. You can teach people on how to build a website as low as $20 or $30. Imagine you can get up to 100 students or 50 students who can pay $20 for you to teach. You know how much you are getting there. Do your maths. I won't do that maths for you. Yeah, I won't do that maths for you. Just look at $20 times 50 people that are willing to learn from you. You know how much you are making like that. It's not the one big box, but at least it's something. You make good cash like that. Relax, you just tutoring people. You just come back and smile. Yes, 20 times 50 people willing to learn computer programming. You need just the basics of computer programming. Just the HTML, CSS, PHP, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, MySQL for database management. Just teach people that. And you see, you get your money back, and you always smiling to the bank. Yeah, you're smiling to the bank. Yeah, that's just it. So, if you need tutoring too, you can hit me up. I do tutoring too. So if you need tutoring for your computer programming jobs, if you need tutoring as a computer programmer, I do tutoring. If you know you're not ready for tutoring, you can refer people to me. Let me eat the money. Why you get a commission? Yeah, get a commission. Yeah, I always give you a commission if you refer people to me for jobs or for tutoring. I'll give you that because I'm a computer programmer. That's what I do. So, but I make money from computer programming more than any of my other online businesses. Yeah. I make money from computer programming. So the next thing we are going to go to, I'm going to keep the video long. I'm not into short videos. I want you to understand everything I have to say, not by shouting, not by watching my videos, but by giving you value. Better I give you a 20-minute video, 30-minute video with value than give you a 10-minute video just crafting everything together and you won't even be able to get anything. So if you are bored, stay. You are learning. So I know you'll not be bored in my videos because I feel boredom is not something attached to learning what you like. Maybe you are not into computer programming, you don't like it, that's why you're bored and you want to leave. I tell you, it's a good thing when you tutor people. That's another way of making money as a computer programmer. So what is the next way of making money as a computer programmer? Is sharing your knowledge online. That's what I do on my YouTube channel. I teach people how to make money online. If you want to make money, and I'm also sharing my knowledge on making money tips on the rest. So you see me now, I'm sharing my knowledge online. I'm teaching online talking. It's not compulsory I must teach programming, but at least along the way I'm telling you what I do. You know, okay, this is what this guy does. He's telling you that this is what he does. So from there, people will contact me. Oh, Mr. Man, you say like you know this thing? Yes. Can you? Yes, I know this thing and I love this thing. Yeah, I do it. Oh, can you give me? Can you do a particular job for me? Yeah, and I do it. Yes. So I don't really do computer program. I build websites for small businesses also, startup businesses. I can build your websites, maybe 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, any amount of page of website. I'll do it for you and collect my money. It's money we're talking about. So I have the knowledge and I'm going to share the knowledge and get my money. Yes, that's just it. Do I want you with computer programming, and that's what one thing with sharing of knowledge, like YouTube, or you have a blog where you can write articles on programming, solutions, or just talk about how to set up, like how to install Node on your laptop, or how to write your first Hello World Node application, or how to create a command site on with Node, Node.js, React.js, how to connect to your MySQL database. A lot of things out there you can just put in down in your channel, and you start making people start coming to you because they know you can do this very very well, and they start hiring for jobs. Yeah, it's me for job. I do. So at this moment, I feel you're enjoying this video, and why you not like my video? Like this video now, share it to your friends, let them know. The best thing is making money online is as a computer programmer is building something you can sell. Yes, you can actually build something you can sell. It's on that way you can make money as a computer programmer. Building something you can sell, it's on that way you can make money as a computer programmer. So when it comes to building something you can sell, it's always about you can actually build a mobile app you can sell. Yeah, you can build a mobile app you can sell as a computer programmer. There are a lot of those mobile apps. You can build web apps that you can sell. So not be the web app that people come and search for domain name and everything, or be the web app that actually help people do search engine optimization. Or if people come to your platform, either you put subscription fee or you put ads on your video. You just put ads in your search. A lot of persons will come and search for keywords and the rest. From the ads you are getting your money from those ads based on your website. That is another aspect. But the main aspect is about putting subscription fees for people using that particular product, and from there you start making good cash. No matter little product, people see people want to use a product, start making money, and you are making money on the go. You keep making money, and people are subscribing to your particular products. That is one way of making money. I just give you that tips now. Would you thank me for that? Your like is offering your services to local businesses. A lot of persons have a lot of shopping malls, restaurants, plumber. Their services, their technologies you can build for this person now is their jobs. Okay, what are walking into a shopping mall in like a local a small business, a small supermarket, so everything is done in a very it's not done well, and everything they are talk taking everything is done in a manual way. Why don't you move into this place and tell them, yo, see, we can make these things computerized for you, we can make these things look faster, we can automate the system and make these things easy for you. Or come to me and say, oh, you, or see, we can do this for you. Or you go to the university or a primary school or secondary school and tell them, okay, fine, where do you have to pick your student having to have a paper result? Maybe they can just go online, check the result of password, keep your record in talks and everything, everybody else smiling. These are ways you can make money. Talk to them, bargain with them, and you start getting your good cash. Yeah. I've done that in my time. I did a school portal for university, not a university, a secondary school online management portal, and you're able to check your results, do a lot of things with that. And I was receiving the money on a timely basis, because in Nigeria, where I come from, they do an education system for 3 months. Yeah, 3 months, 8 times. So I did that 3 months, and that's how I was able to make my money. Every 3 months, I was getting my money. Yeah, I was getting a good cash. Not that much, but at least I was getting. Every 3 months, I was getting, if I should say, calculate the money to this, I was getting $200, yeah, $200 every 3 months from that particular product, and which was very interesting. Before we terminated our contract and the rest, and just things happen, and it's business, yeah, that is business, and I was making good money from that. Now that I just it. So go out there, talk to people about what you do. Local businesses everywhere, they are still blind to a lot of these technologies, automation and the rest. So a lot of businesses need automation. Talk to local businesses, automation, and you see a lot of people will be ready to jump on the radar and give you that big box. So I just subscribe to my channel. If you've not done that, and we're done with the video. we are done with the video and you are not subscribed to my channel, so tomorrow now release a new video, now you will not get notification and you want to learn. How do you learn? I have a lot of knowledge here. I do a lot of research. I have enough knowledge. I will give you this knowledge, but only what you need to do for me is like my video, share it, subscribe, click on the notification button, do all these things. It will not take you even up to 5 minutes to do all these things. Okay, just go click like, okay, click subscribe, click share. Share to your Facebook page, share it to your WhatsApp, share it to different avenue. I see people coming to watch the video and loving the video, and what are you saying? You have friends that are mobile developers, web developers, freelance, who are just starting up and who need to avoid this and learn what I just taught here. And what are you waiting for? Why don't you share to them and let them get this video? I love you. I'll see you in my next video where I'll be teaching you sweet stuff on making money online.